This is the world. This is your world. This is you within it, spinning around in a circle of chaos. Oh dear, getting dizzy? Want to bring that chaos to an end? You can. Truth is, everything begins and ends in the mind of the individual, of you. True power lies in awakening your own nature, returning to the source, becoming aware of our calling. My name is Dr. Milan Kreins, academic, psychotherapist, university professor. Specializing in the field of management, I've been solving crisis situations in companies and family businesses for 20 years by helping people separate their personal lives from their business lives with a comprehensive approach to problem solving using a detailed analysis of what caused the crisis. Through my dynamic leadership model, I bring resolutions, solutions, so you can discover how simple life is and can be for you. Find out for yourself by contacting me here, www.dynamicleadership.management,